what it is. What's up? Got your nigga in the cut. God damn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the gig, all that good stuff. I literally just got home. I still have on like my good 9-to-5 work dress with the black stockings because it's cold. And I got a package at work today. So let me put y'all down or whatever. I'm sitting on my floor because we don't do outside clothes on the bed. That's just nasty. And like I said, I just got home, so I was excited to film this this video. If y'all can stay, y'all show the leaning. Hopefully y'all can't hear my roommate's music in the background because that's copyright, so I'm just gonna try to talk loud over it. But I got a package today from Boohoo, a really big one, to the point like the bag is falling apart. It's like a realistic try on haul unboxing situation here. So I'm like sitting on my floor and I'm about to like literally like just rip open this bag because they had to like retape it at my job and all that because literally it's like falling apart. So I decided to put this on this channel and not my main channel, only for simple fact, like I said, I wanted to be more realistic, and because on my main channel I'm going to do a lookbook. So yeah, just, you know, go ahead and subscribe over there, subscribe here for all that good fun stuff. Oh, I remember, jacket is definitely in that mix. I think this is like a sweater. It's cold, so I'm like trying to get like fall winter pieces that I can like mix and match with. A lot of the stuff that I got is like work appropriate, also stuff that I can wear on the weekends, because I realized that because of the type of job that I have, I can kind of mix my pieces in my wardrobe. So I have like, you know, a lot of like for weekend and work. I don't know, I think this is a shirt. This is a t-shirt. Can't wear that to work. This is by Marley. Don't know what that is. There's a lot of stuff in here. Like a lot of stuff in here. The best thing about Boohoo and why I like always find pieces and always go to the site is because, one, the shipping is pretty quick. The stuff is like it's always a sale, like either something is 40% off, 60% off, I don't know. Boohoo always has a sale. And they also always have like really cute trendy pieces that are like super affordable, because, you know, with trendy pieces sometimes you want to just wear them like for that season, and then by next season you're not going to want to wear it anymore. So I like the fact that they have that too. They have a nice range of like festival stuff, premium, which is like their I guess their high-end stuff, tons of accessories, tons of shoes, always have different like cute sweatsuits I always like to pick up from there, t-shirts, even jeans I've got from Boohoo as well. So Boohoo always just comes through. And I know for me and my body type, because I'm like, I have a heavier up, you know, up here in my boobs, the girls, I always know like what size to get and it's gonna fit. It correlates to how it's shown on the website. And then when the items come, it looks like the stuff that's on the website, because that's also sometimes like an issue. The quality for some stuff is not A1. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, it's like A1 quality, but for the most part it's very decent. And I mean, for the price that you're getting, it's not bad. So I don't know how I want to do this. I think I'm just gonna open up the stuff one by one, and then just try the stuff on. Like, this is what I do, for real. I ain't even gonna sit here and fake and try to get, you know, try to be all extra cute with it. I literally just open up stuff and then just try it on. So what I did was I went ahead and put y'all on my other tripod, and I put all the stuff on my bed, and I'm just gonna like stand up and kind of open it, because I'm trying to like get the angle right in my room. Well, my room is also a mess, and it's just a lot going on. And also I just want to go ahead and hang the stuff up on my rack behind me, because I have like my coats there, and then I put new stuff on there too. Okay, so the first thing, I got this hat. It's like what, a beret or something. It came all, look how bendy it came. Just thought this would be really cute to just have, whatever. I don't know how to properly put this on, but when I figure out, it's gonna be a fire ass outfit. So like plaids are really, you know, the thing for the fall. I love good plaid, so I got like this plaid button up that I'm not gonna try on because I need to take a shower and I'm just not that girl. So let's see. What's this? This is, oh, this is like a just a long sleeve black shirt with like a, what is this? It has like the sleeves are like really puffy, so it's like a puffy sleeve shirt. This looks kind of small. I don't know if my girl's gonna fit in it, and it's like sheer. Let's see, what is this? It's blue. Blue is like one of my favorite colors for like the winter time. I don't know, it just gives me icy winter vibes. I don't know, especially like this color blue, like this like light blue. So this is a dress that doesn't, oh, this is a dress. I didn't know I got a dress. Oh, you know what? I got this because I ordered some white boots from Public Desire that I went to get here, and I thought that this would be really cute with like the white boots, and then it ties. So yeah, that was a look. Let's see. I think this is turtlenecks. I know I got like a lot of turtlenecks. I love turtlenecks, which is crazy because when I was a child, I hated turtlenecks. But now, give me a good neck. It's just a gray long sleeve turtleneck with just like, what is this? Fringe like material. You know how like the exposed like stitching is like really in right now? This is kind of like the same idea that this is giving. For real. Just make sure the sizing is right. I know I got that in like at least 2 more colors. And I got like mixy matchy pieces. I don't think any of the pieces I got them to go together. I think I got them to pair with stuff that's already in my closet, or just to have extra pieces of. So I got this like really cute that looks like it's gonna be too big. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be too big. This cute little plaid, like brown, has different colors of brown skirt. I thought this would be really cute with like some stockings and a top and like a cute bag or something like that I can definitely wear like on the weekends, or most definitely wear to work. But it's too big. I can tell by looking at this that this is too big. Try that on. Might have to send that back. Next thing was this like I love the color of this, and I had a cute idea in mind for this, and it was just, look at this, it's just like a cute polka dot yellow dress with it's like a little, what is that at the bottom? I can't think of it. I just love it, and I thought this would be cute with the hat, the beret or whatever. Hold on, let me give y'all the look. This is the look. This is the look with like some some thick black tights and like a cute booty. I have like the what is it now, platform, patent leather black heels that I thought would be really cute with this. So yeah, I'm excited about this. This is cute. I can even feel like a red lip because I love like a mustard yellow with like a red lip. Thing is, this is like a green, a teal green color. You know, getting the holiday vibes started early. This is just a turtleneck. This is a turtleneck that looks like it's cropped. Well, it's not cropped, it's kind of short. Not short, but it's not like as long, I guess you could say. And then the sleeves are like really like big bell sleeves. So I got this really cute sweatsuit. I remember this. Because I was like, oh, I could put this on to go Black Friday shopping and still be really stylish and cute. So it's like a pink turtleneck knitwear top, and then it comes with the matching like leggings or bottoms, and yeah, something really comfortable and cute. I love sets, especially for when it's cold outside. You can never go wrong with a set. And then I just got some t-shirts because I need to re-up on my t-shirt gang to just like have like graphic tees in my closet. So I got some like basic ones because they were on sale. So I got this one, just a gray Ramones t-shirt. You know, just a, like leather jacket, jeans, and like a booty or something like that, you know, Friday night hanging out. Or I can wear stuff like that to work, so I can also like wear just like a t-shirt and jeans, and like that option to work as well. What other t-shirt did I get? I got like 4 t-shirts because like I said, I needed to like really re-up with the tees. So then I got a black Guns N' Roses t-shirt. That's super cute. Let's see. What the hell is this? Okay, so I just got out the shower. Okay, so I just got out the shower. And I'm about to like actually try on the pieces and all the stuff that I bought or whatever. So much time has passed since I first got home. I've cooked. I made some shrimp tempura with some cauliflower rice and some veggie egg rolls. What else have I done? I've been editing videos. I've been on the phone with my mom who is in Japan. So it's like during the day there, and it's our nighttime over here. So we had to like catch up because I ain't talked to her in a couple of days and all that good stuff. What else have I just been like doing a lot, I feel like, in this little bit of time span. But I took a shower, and then when I was in the shower I realized, I was like, oh, I gotta try the rest of my stuff on, because if it can't fit, it gotta go. Because if I sit on it, I will forget to send all of the stuff back, and then it would just be a waste. Like, I have stuff in my closet from Pretty Little Thing that I couldn't fit, or I didn't like it anymore once I like actually seen it. I waited so long and I can't even send it back now. So I just have it with tags. So I was in the shower and I was like, okay, let me, when I got out the shower, I'm gonna, try all my good stuff on. And then I realized I have to put a fucking bra on. I don't know about y'all. This is as a female with a large chest, I absolutely despise putting on a bra. Like, when I come home, it's one of the first things that I have to do. Like, the bra has to come off. So I had to put a bra back on to try all my stuff on, and I'm like, that's how I feel. Out of this little Bo Peep dress, I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this up. I don't know why I thought this was cute. I'm gonna try it on. This is where I'm gonna start to see how it looks, but this ain't it. This is not it. And I have like some other sweaters, and then I have this jacket. Where is the jacket? Oh, it's all the way under here. This jacket that I got, I don't think I like it either. First of all, I don't think it's gonna go over the girls, but we gonna see. Oh no, it's like barely going over the girls. And yeah, it gives the real little Bo Peep, like I knew it would. So this is the dress. Yeah. So it got over my boobs, but it's giving that like flat boob effect. Like one wash and this is done. And it's a little short. Don't know. I'm trying to think how I would style this. This right here, this like cut off, even though I do like stuff like that because my boobs are so big, I like things that kind of clench to my waist to kind of separate my top half from my bottom half, so I don't kind of get like lost in the sauce a little bit. But this ain't it. There's nothing I can do with this. So this is one piece that has to go back. I don't know why I thought this was cute. Like, I don't know, maybe I thought it was giving like a little schoolgirl effect, but the print is pretty. I like the print, but the dress itself isn't. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about the jacket. So the jacket is like supposed to be oversized, but I just feel like it's like really boxy. See how it like just, I don't know. I feel like it just gives me a really boxy look. And then the belt, I would never wear the belt. Like, I don't like, I'm not a belt with jacket type of girl. And this, I just, So I'm like, I don't know what it is. Like, I like the oversized look. I like the color. It just, I don't like the boxy feel of this. Now, the two-piece under it, very comfortable, super cute. It's turtleneck. I can definitely like just throw this on to run errands in, whatever the case may be, put some Uggs on and go. But I don't know about this jacket. Like, I'm really, and because I'm like not in love with it, I know how I am. It will sit and I would not wear it. I just feel like it's giving, what is it giving? It's giving me real, I don't know. I have it in my head, I just can't think of it, but like the image that is just portraying to me right now is just not working. Like this is just not it. So the jacket is another fail. The jacket's gonna have to go back. Like okay, so all in all, I only had 3 pieces I need to go back. It was that a little bit peep dress that had to go back, the jacket, and the black shirt with like the sleeves or whatever. Yeah, all 3 of those have to go back. So I had a successful try on and order from Boohoo. Usually, like I said, I get the right sizes, everything fits, it works out. Just with those pieces, because they were unique, they were different, they just did not work well with me and what I was looking for, so I have to send those back. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all my package. I was so excited. Like literally, I've been tweeting all day like, where the hell is my packages? I have more packages that I'm supposed to be getting, so I'm gonna like create a nice lookbook. And I mentioned this before, this channel is gonna be strictly vlogging. Like if I decide to vlog daily, my daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, I haven't figured out what works best for me, but this is strictly Lex in the City vlogs. Like Lex, me in the city, me in New York, me out and about, me traveling. These are all vlogs. If you want to see fashion and lifestyle videos, because those are like going to be my main emphasis, those will be on my other channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for both. So if you want to see like what I'm doing in terms of like vlogging, going to events and stuff like that, then you need to go ahead and stay here, hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe. But then if you want to see me like do lookbooks, hauls, DIYs, styling others and other things, and other things, styling other people, styling myself for like an event, holidays is coming up, so holiday ideas, or anything lifestyle or anything like that, that will be over there. I'm just trying to like separate my content so I can become more organized and create a better schedule for recording and editing and stuff like that. So I just had to give that little disclaimer. I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm not sleepy at the same time. So I'm probably about to finish editing, watch YouTube, my use, and figure out what I'm going to wear to this event tomorrow too. But you got to come back tomorrow and watch that video to see what I plan on wearing and how the event goes and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.